I just want you to know that the team is live. All the tapes is copies of the live performances. What we're trying to tell you is they're both important, but never miss a function. And then the name of the game is how many bodies can you get in the bleachers? Bodies in the bleachers, bodies in the bleachers, friends on the team, players in the game. Bodies in the bleachers, players in the game. That's what it's all about. You're not a player unless you're in the bleachers. Well, if you parallel that to football, then say you're not a player unless you're on the field, not in the bleachers. But I want you to know in this, if you're out there in the audience, you're playing the game. Now, as we invite you to play in even a higher leadership capacity and be on the stage, but everybody that made the commitment to come is a player on our team. I remember when I was younger, just a brief time ago, but I would go to my dad's opens. I was the new kid. I was excited. I was the diamond kid. I was the son. I was always up there. Hey, how you doing? Welcome. Come on. How you doing? Welcome. I'd shake hands with everybody. But I remember in the very, very beginning when I really got excited about building the business, and my dad had a big open plan in his area. He came to me and says, hey, you had a pretty sharp guy there. Yeah, he got excited. The next time there was an open in the area, my dad came and says, hey, I didn't see you at the open. I says, well, I didn't have anybody to bring, so I didn't go. He goes, okay, no problem. A couple times later, he comes up to me and says, hey, you had a pretty sharp guy there. Yeah, I had somebody to bring, so I brought him. I think he's excited. The next one, he says, Lennon, I didn't see you at the meeting. I says, well, I didn't have anybody to bring, so I didn't come. He goes, hey, no problem. The next time he says, hey, Lennon, I didn't see you at the meeting. I says, I didn't have anybody to bring. So I went ahead and played softball or something. And my dad never really gets riled up. And so in his mellow, loving, but very serious, stern way, you're taken from the team. You're not a giver. You'll never be big in this business till you become a giver. You're a taker. You understand? When you have somebody, you want everybody there. You want it to be a big crowd. You want everything perfect. You want everything clean. You want the board shiny. You want the circle drawer good, motivated. You want everything to be good so that your prospect joins. But when somebody else has a prospect and you don't even show because you don't want to be part of the team. You're a taker from the team, not a giver to the team. Is that making sense? Do you follow what I'm saying? You are taken from the team. You're a taker, you're a taker, you're a taker, you're a taker. Take. You need to be there. You need to show loyalty to the team. If you will be loyal to the team will be loyal to you. Decision right there. I made a commitment and a decision that I personally, Lennon Ledbetter, would never miss another meeting. Never miss another meeting. In other words, there would never be that chair empty because I wasn't there. Never again would that chair be empty because I wasn't there. And I made a commitment and I haven't missed. I shake those hands and I don't cross group, but I sure motivate.